unicorn! So magical! Oh, and this one is us. It's really good.
Magic Mimi!
Vivi, what should we do today? What a puzzle. A puzzle! That's perfect! Let's make a puzzle! Nice idea, Mimi. All right, everyone. Let's make a puzzle today. Woohoo! Hey, Captain Gotcha! Give us some craft items for puzzles, please.
Don't worry. I gotcha. Crank, 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 crank. Crank, 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 crank.
Popsicle sticks! Hey, Captain Gotcha! I'm not your trash can. Wait, Vivi, these popsicle sticks are perfect for puzzles. Really? All right, everyone. Let's get started. Mimi's Magic Craft! First, line up the sticks in a row. Tape the sticks together. When you do this, fold back the edge of the tape to make a little tab. Flip it over, and now it's drawing time. Huh? We're drawing instead of making puzzles? Yup, it's all part of the process. Wow! It turned into such a cute picture. Now peel off the tape, and it's done! Done? The picture fell apart. Oh, we're supposed to put these pieces together, right? That's right. Let's jump right into the puzzle challenge. Ready? Start! Huh? Something's a little off. Keep going! Keep going! Yay! We did it! I think we can make even more puzzles. That's a great idea. Ta-da! We made some cute puzzles. Wow! It's a unicorn. So magical. Oh, and this one is us. It's really good. It looks pretty cute, right? All right, let's get this puzzle party started. This time, let's make it even harder. Yeah! Let's put these 3 cute puzzles together. And here we go. Whoa! They're all jumbled up. Can we put them back together? Keep going! Keep going, Mimi! We're finally done! Yay! With both our brains, this is easy peasy. Easy for you to say. You were just cheering. You should all try making these puzzles too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up too.